Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, after several locations in the Amhara region, the situation between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is deteriorating now on the Afar Tigray border. According to reports, heavy fighting is currently underway at Afar Tigray border, and on this front there are Amhara forces, Amhara militias, Afar forces, as well as Eritrean soldiers. According to several Tigray sources, Ethiopian and Eritrean soldiers have crossed the Afar Tigray border, and there are also reports of killing of several Tigrayan civilians. Several Tigray sources report that Eritrean allied forces, Amhara Fano militias, and Ethiopian National Defense Force have crossed the border and entered the Tigray region. But no clear statement has been made yet. And according to the Tigray Defense Force latest reports, the Eritrean commandos were completely destroyed in Abala, the town of Afar, during a furious fight this week, and some Eritrean commandos were captured and taken to Tigray's capital Mekelle. I have informed you about this, and pictures of captured Eritrean commandos were also shared with you. Viewers, reports are being received that fighting started at the border between Afar and Tigray and becoming very intense. Reports from Tigray Defense Force that Tigray Defense Force has delivered an unforgettable blow to the Ethiopian army, including Afar and local forces in the area of Abala. Viewers, Abala town is situated in Afar region on Afar Tigray border, and it is about 50 km from the central capital Mekelle. A few weeks ago, Tigray's spokesman Getachew Reda had said that he had called back his troops from the Afar area and turned his attention to the Amhara area. At that time, Dessie and Gondar were the main front in the Amhara region, as there was a heavy war. But now, Ethiopian National Defense Force is trying to enter the Tigray region from the side of Afar border in conjunction with its allies. And Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are present in the Afar region at the point which is most closely related to the capital Mekelle, and Ethiopian National Defense Force intentions are to attack central capital Mekelle, while Tigray Defense Force says it has won a big victory against Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allied forces at the Afar Tigray border, especially in Abala. Viewers, yesterday a statement is published that Ethiopia says it will work with the African Union to find a peaceful solution to the ongoing conflict in Tigray. Many journalists say that the government's words shall be taken courteously, having repeatedly failed to live up to its words. Ethiopia's Deputy Prime Minister Demeke Mekonnen told the United Nations General Assembly Ethiopia is open to candid initiatives for peace. In this connection, we will work with the African Union and the Higher Representative for the Horn of Africa to organize an Ethiopia-led national dialogue, and said that we only hope the African Union will be given the space to apply its own wisdom. And the United States has imposed fresh sanctions on Ethiopia, which it says will be targeted at those fueling the war. Tigray's government has welcomed the news. The government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, on the other hand, openly expressed its disappointment at the decision. Viewers, here, Ethiopian minister said that they are ready for peaceful solution of ongoing conflict in Ethiopia. But on the other hand, Ethiopian army call Eritrean forces from neighboring country for their help and again try to invade on Tigray through Afar border. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.